Hi, I'm Ryan Blick. What I'm going to be going over today is um, part of our Understanding Hockey IQ series we're doing right now. On this one, I'm focusing on problem solving IQ. And if you read the article, you probably know by now my definition of problem solving IQ is if you have the pockets going from a very high contested area into a low contested area, or getting out of your danger zones into safe areas of the ice. If you are defending the puck, problem solving IQ for me is keeping the offense in low contested areas of the ice. So what we have here is my four examples of puck possession, supporting the puck, attacking the puck, and supporting the defender. So without further ado, I'll go into some drills that I have here for problem solving IQ, and then try to explain them as we go. At the very end of the presentation, I do have a few slides on creating awareness. And then there's an excellent uh, uh, presentation that Jeff Blashill did on scanning and shoulder checking like that. So that will be on the website as well. So you guys can check those out afterwards. But right here on the first screen, we have our puck possession problem solving IQ. What you'll see here is a coach is going to be shooting the puck in on net. That's what we call our 1-on-2 net front battle here. You'll see the inside defender is the guy who's going to be trying to get the puck from off the rebound, take it from a high contested area, which is in front of the net, to a low contested area, which we've deemed behind the net. From there, we're asking the defender to then skate the puck out of the zone while two skaters are coming at him trying to take the puck away and score. So here's some of the drill. Here's a few of the examples of the drill I have here. You'll see the coach shoots the puck on net, player takes it, and gets behind the net to a low contested area and then tries taking it up ice. You know, with this drill here, I try to make it a little bit of a disadvantage for my defender trying to get the puck to a low contested area. So I put two players on him attacking right away to kind of make it an unfair advantage. But if you see here, just some of my players doing this drill here. So that's a good possession of puck possession, problem solving. Like I said, basically we want the players going from a very, very high contested area, getting that puck to a safe area, and then hopefully, getting possession of the play. So this is puck possession. Next slide we have here, we have puck support, problem solving IQ. One of the big things about puck support problem solving IQ is keeping the players in a position that they are staying in a low contested area for puck support for the puck carrier. We want them to be able to get the puck and then make the secondary play to another area of the ice that's low contested, so we can create an offensive chance for our players. If you watch here, we're working on a 3-on-2 D hinge. You'll see three players start at the blue line, they curl into the defensive zone and then break out. You have two defenders coming from the far blue who are attacking our puck carrier. That puck carrier is going to feel the pressure and then throw the puck back to our defenseman waiting for a hinge. That defenseman will be in a low contested area, and that defenseman or skater will then throw the puck to another area of the ice that's low contested. So here's a few examples of it. There's our puck carrier. Look at how the defenseman right there is just in another area of the ice. It's very low contested. Gives the pass to a player who's breaking down the ice with very little pressure on him. And that's one of the key components of puck support problem solving is the secondary play after that. We have to make good secondary plays to areas of the ice that are low contested as well. This drill is great for that. One of the big things we talk about with puck support problem solving also is having our players understand that they can be a part of the play without being the play. They don't always have to go. Sometimes poise and control and understanding where you are in relation to the puck is a good thing. And so there's just some examples of good puck support problem solving IQ. The next one we have here is a puck attack problem solving IQ. This is what we just do a one-on-one in zone net angling drill. I've decided on this one to show you guys some good with the bad, but what we're trying to do here with puck attack problem solving is we're trying to keep the player, the offensive player, in low contested areas of the ice. So what we're trying to do is have our offensive player try to cut back and get that puck to the net. That's what we've instructed the offensive players to do. The defensive players, we've said, hey, at all costs, keep them out of the middle of the ice, try to push them to the low contested area of the ice. So if you watch here, our players here are going to try to have good inside stick position, good inside feet position to push those players to the outside and keep them in a low scoring area. Doesn't work all the time, but it's something that we really push our defenders and offensive players to do. So here's a few examples of it. The last one there was a great clip of the player angled correctly, tipping to the outside, took away all of the space. So that's just some of our drills we do for puck attack problem solving. Like I said, trying to keep those players to the outside of the ice into low contested areas. This last one here, and it's a great drill for problem solving IQ with puck support. We don't really have a drill for it, but this is just a great example of it. What you're going to see here is you're going to see, and we're going to replay it a few times here. You're going to see this defender over here. He's going to be pushing the player, the puck carrier, to the outside without actually engaging. It's one of those things we talked about earlier, being a part of the play without being the play. He does a great job of taking away half the ice. He allows that puck carrier to know that he can't cut to the other side of the ice, therefore limiting him to space and time. So our other defender over here can limit his ice and then hopefully make a good defensive play. We'll go through it a few times so you guys can see what I mean by puck support IQ here. But like I said, part of this is just maybe not being the play, but being a part of it, cutting off an area of the ice to allow the person who is attacking the puck to actually do it easier than would be if he wasn't having support there. So here's a good example of what I mean by defensive puck support problem solving. So once again, we'll show it a few more times here.
Great example
but
here,
you can hear me talking a little bit here. So, but so those are our 4 kind of examples of problem solving IQ. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are watching this on the webpage, I'm going to post this kind of presentation on there, the PowerPoint, so you guys can see it, because there's 4 more slides on it that I think are very, very good for understanding problem solving IQ. 3 are drills that I've made for my U8s when we practice. They're very simple drills. They kind of increase players' awareness. It's one of the things that I think is really, really important. Is starting to teach a lot of these IQs in hockey sense, awareness and scanning and shoulder checking. I think we need to start doing it at an early age. I'm a very big believer in teaching hockey IQ, and I think kids can learn it. I think it's something that we can grow with kids. I do not believe kids are born with it. I think kids can learn it, and I think that teaching it earlier on is a great thing we can start doing. So the next 4 drills are for U8s, and teaching awareness and multitasking, a few other things. And the last slide is a presentation that USA Hockey did with Coach Jeff Blashill of the Red Wings that I thought was amazing, just on shoulder checking, awareness. Gives you some drills and some just great examples of how to create better awareness in our skaters, because I believe more awareness allows for better problem solving IQ, because then you can start visualizing more of the ice, start taking in more information, and then hopefully becoming a better hockey player. So hope you guys enjoyed.